journey of the LPBL, a league founded in 2018 by none other than the legendary athlete, public servant, of course, our LPBL chairman and founder, Senator Manny Pacquiao. His vision of providing a platform for homegrown talents continues to inspire all of us.
We are also privileged to have with us today the Cheng family. Good evening. Headed by Solar Entertainment Chairman Mr. William Cheng with his wife Ida Cheng. Together with his brother CEO and President of Solar Entertainment Corporation, Mr. Wilson Cheng William.
Yes, Mr. Wilson Cheng happens to be the family of our Senator Manny Pacquiao. Also with us is Congressman Erwin Cheng of the 5th District of Manila and Ronald Cheng of Federated Distributors Incorporated. We also want to acknowledge the presence of other Cheng family members, Jennifer, Charlie, Joel, Alessandra, Mireille, and Lady Cheng. Thank you for being with us tonight, and your support in this partnership will play a crucial role to its success.
That's right, Sadel. This contract signing signifies not just a formal agreement, but a commitment to the growth of Philippine basketball and the opportunities it brings to athletes and communities across the country. The partnership also marks the return of Senator Manny Pacquiao to the sports channel that documented his rise to greatness, with most of his iconic fights having been aired in Solar Sports. So parang full circle, no?
Yeah, of course, nung nagsisimula si Senator Manny in his career, napapanood natin yung mga laban niya on Solar Sports, and truly a really good time for us as a country, watching our sports hero conquer the world once again, and welcome, and let's look forward to an exciting and successful partnerships ahead. Of course, Arnica Pilipinas Basketball, it was founded in 2017 with the goal of providing opportunities for homegrown basketball players to represent their cities and giving an opportunity for rising talents to showcase their skills. MPBL since 2018 has produced a handful of players who have made a name for themselves in the bigger leagues. Of course, we are true to our mission, begins in opportunities, and we're happy that Solar Sports is here. Maybe we request our Chairman and Founder Senator Manny Pacquiao for a few words. Boss?
Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Una-una, maraming salamat sa ating Panginoon sa magandang gabi na meron sa atin at naman binigay niya sa atin sa araw-araw. Salamat ako sa inyong pagdalo ng meeting sa ating kagpara, Mr. Wilson Cheng, President ng CEO of Solar Sports. I welcome Junior and Murat. His brother William Cheng, Cheng family. Natin din mga Cheng sa akin dahil from the start, kasama ko na sila doon sa Blue by Blue pa natin. Ano pa lang, nag-start pa lang ako. For everyone's information, Solar Sports was the home of my fights for so many years. Isa sila sa mga unang niwala sa kakayahan ng isang Manny Pacquiao. I have a long-standing relationship with the Cheng family, which I always cherish and appreciate. Ako ay nagagalak na magiging partner na din ng Solar Sports ng Liga ng bawat Pilipino. Binuo ko ang PBL with a vision na tumulong at magbigay ng opportunity sa mga basketballistang Pinoy na may na mag-represent nila ang kanyang mga lugar. I'm happy that Solar Sports shares in my vision that our Filipino basketball players need a platform to showcase their skills and promote their cities and provinces. Malaking bagay po ang tiwala ng Solar Sports sa paglaki at pag-improve ng ating liga na nasa season 7 na ngayon. Maraming salamat sa bumubuo ng Solar Sports at sa aking NBBL family. Malapit na ang pagbabalik ng liga ng bawat Pilipino. Malapit na magbukas ulit ang season 7. Makita-kita po tayo doon sa Iligan City, Isabela for the opening of season 7 sa March 8. So maraming may mga natagdag na mga team at nagpapalakas pa yun. So asahan ninyo na mas exciting games pa mapapanood natin compared to the previous years na napapanood natin yung PBL. We're trying to improve your commitment, yung liga na IPPL para makapagbigay pa at maayos natin para sa mga viewers at sa mga fans. And ayan nyo, ang IPPL hindi lang dito ang vision ng IPPL sa Pilipinas, kundi we are planning to matagal pa naman yun, mga after 2-3 years from now, planning to open a IPPL International. So mas maganda ito, kasali yung mga taga-ibang bansa. One team each country. So yun po ang parang ng IPPL. So maraming salamat sa inyong walang sahang pagsuporta.
Thank you so much for that amazing message, Senator Manny. And before we move on, we are looking at the leadership of MPBL and Solar Sports. So let's give them a warm of applause as well, guys. Now again, congratulations for this another milestone for the MPBL. No, mga kaliga, mapapanood na nga natin ang 2025 season dito sa Solar Sports. But let's look back sa history ng MPBL. We have just few questions for our leadership here, starting with Senator Manny, if that's okay. Senator, binuo mo to 2018, ang dami na nating natulungan ng mga homegrown talents, college graduates, marami na rin tayong na-inspire ng mga kaliga. But looking back, Senator, what inspired you to create MPBL?
Na-create natin yung MPBL. Actually, inumpisahan ko to sa bahay ko lang kasi may basketball court sa bahay ko, and then liga ako ng 10 season. Ano yun? 10 season ng MPBL. Naglaro pa ito sila Kenneth, sila Randy Realove, Ime Orita, nakapaglaro pa. Si Paruka nakapaglaro pa rin doon. Keper Rabina, nakapaglaro sila doon sa bahay kasi open naman yun eh. So naka-10 season kami, and then tinry ko lang muna doon kasi pinag-aralan ko, nagpipire-perfect ko bago ko ilang sa national. Sa talagang katulad nung inaugural natin na malaki masyado. So nakita ko yung potential ng MPBL dahil mayroon siyang fan base. Kasi may mga home court, may home and away. So talagang makikreate siya ng mga fan base dahil similar to NBA league. May mga home court. So ito yung kadalabasan ng MPBL ngayon. Hindi ko naman expect na ganito rin kadami yung magsasali. But so thankful to all the teams, team owner na nagtiwala sila sa MPBL. Hayaan ninyo na pagandahin pa namin at ako na may lagi nakatutok dito sa Liga ng Bawat Pilipino ang MPBL. At hindi lang yan na kumbaga yan na lang tayo. We're trying to improve it. Lalo na sa ating mga officiating, importante yan, crucial yan, and then sa mga rules na i-implement natin. And pag may mga crucial decision, mga pag i-apply natin sa IBBL, then I will ask suggestion from the teams, yung mga team owners na para lahat kasali sila. So yun po yung simula ng IBBL noong 2018. Pero in-start namin yan sa bahay, mga 2014 pa yata. Mga 14 pa. So after 3 years. Kasi doon sa anong liga namin sa bahay, pag championship ngayong gabi, championship, bukas, opening agad. Tuloy-tuloy sa walang patid. Championship ngayong gabi, warding. O, so bukas, opening agad namin season. So, sa 10 season, kung sino pinakamaraming champion, may additional na 1 million. Ganun ang premium doon. So, tapos ang champion, 1 million din. Kung mag-champion ka, 1 million. So, bali, 2 million yung napadalo na. Ng champion. Salamat.
Ganda ng kwento mo, boss ha. Siyempre, ang pagpasok ngayon yung Solar Sports with a partnership with the PBL, ano yung feeling mo makakatulong itong pagpasok ng Solar Sports as our partner?
Ay, it's an honor na kasama ko ulit ang Solar Sports dahil dyan din ako sumikat sa Blue White Blue. Ang Solar din ang pinag-aaral sa atin. So, isa rin siya makatulong sa atin sa mga fights ko sa Amerika. Sila nag-live dito. And malaki rin ang Solar, yung reach ng mga fans all over the Philippines. So, ma-maximize natin yung yung liga na ma-promote sa Bayan Pilipinas.
Maraming salamat, Senator. Sid?
Yes, of course, Senator, thank you so much with your leadership. And syempre sa support ng Solar Sports, ang future ng MPBL looks incredibly bright, especially this year. So once again, thank you so much, Senator Manny, for sharing your insights. Now let's move on with CEO and President of Solar Entertainment, Mr. Wilson Cheng. Good evening, sir. This partnership between MPBL and Solar Sports is a huge step forward in the field of local basketball. What made Solar Sports decide to team up with the MPBL?
Because I think we share a vision with my compadre. He's also the icon of Philippine sports. Di ba? Kaya gusto namin makaabot ang laro na all over the Philippines. Hindi lang dito sa Metro Manila area, kundi pati sa mga probinsya at mga remote places. Like earlier, I was talking to Commissioner that your most remote place that you've been is in Pasilan. Where my mother is also from Pasilan. Yung roots namin, Pasilan din. Kaya nakatukma naman ang pananaw namin. Gusto namin mag-develop ang basketball because it is the #1 sports in our country. At gusto natin yung mga bata pa na they will have the experience to play sa mga leagues na ito na supported by not the government but by Senator Manny Pacquiao here na mula noon pa, ilang taon na, mga 10 years na pa ito, pare, na ginagawa nila na sariling saling gastos, no? Kaya napakalaking bagay ito. Nakita natin yung mga ibang players nila napunta na sa ibang foreign league, katulad ni Ravina, napunta na sa B-League, no? At yung iba naman ay na-try out na rin sa NBA. NBA kasi ang Solar Sports din handle before, same time as si Manny Pacquiao sa vaccine noong 2002. So we have a long history na relasyon namin, 14 years pare. Mula 2002 hanggang 2016. So kaya I'm also godfather to his 2 children, si Princess Pacquiao and si Israel Pacquiao. Kaya mahirap sabihin kung ano, yun talagang parang kami kambal tuko dito in a way. Because we travel together within all these places. Kaya napakaganda na we're working together again with Mr. Manny Pacquiao, Philippine sports icon. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, sir. Really exciting para sa FPBL. And of course, I'd like to ask Sir William, anong FPBL has really brought basketball closer to the grassroots? From a broadcasting perspective, Sir Wilson mentioned about Basilan being reached by Solar. How will this partnership with Solar help FPBL reach a bigger audience?
Ang Solar Sports itong taon na ito, we are now on free-to-air TV for NCR. But we also have more than 200 cable operators outside of NCR region. So mga Visayas and Mindanao, mga far-flung places, we have all these cable companies na distributing our content. This would definitely help La Liga to be seen in all the homes outside of the NCR. So abot yan hanggang pinakamalayo, Mindanao, no, sa tulo ng Mindanao, and up north sa tuktok ng Luzon, di ba? So yan ang mabigay namin at ma-contribute to MPBL.
Well, that's exciting mga kaliga. A bigger audience means more exposure for the players, for the teams, even for the provinces. Diba, who owns the team? Now, sir, last question. Looking ahead, what can basketball fans expect from this collaboration? Any exciting plans in the future, Sir Wilson?
Definitely sa March 8, makikita na sa Solar Sports yun telecast. But kung ano pang mangyari, tignan natin. So, abangan na lang, no? Panuorin nyo na MPBL sa Solar Sports at masurpresa kayo kung ano mangyari. Salamat.
Alright, thank you so much, Sir Wilson. It sounds like this partnership is just the beginning of even bigger things for MPBL at para sa ating mga kaliga. Thank you so much once again to our leadership for sharing their vision. We are looking forward to an exciting 2025 season.
And now we come to the highlight of tonight's event, the official signing of the partnership between Solar Entertainment, Solar Sports, and the Marica Pilipinas Basketball League Association. So may we invite FPBL Chairman, of course, Dr. Manny Pacquiao, FPBL Commissioner Kenneth Correntes, Solar Entertainment CEO and President, Mr. Wilson J., and Solar Entertainment Chairman, Mr. William Tran, to proceed with the contract signing.
Okay, let's have a photo op first.
Now, may we ask the signatories to exchange the signed documents as a symbol of the partnership. May we also call in front to join us. Of course, dito na. Joe Ramos, the CEO of FPBL, who is there. Kenneth Lumang, the CFO of Solar Entertainment Corporation. Attorney Valerie Dumantay, the Chief Legal Counsel of Solar Entertainment, and Attorney Glenn Gakal, Chief Legal Counsel of the MPBL.
Alright, so Del, official na talaga, makapanood na ng ating mga kaliga at MPBL sa Solar Sports this year. And of course, to commemorate this momentous occasion, may we please invite our signatories to the center for an official photo opportunity. Once again, guys, let's give them a warm round of applause. just a reunion of Senator Manny and Solar Sports, pero reunion din ng magkumpare. Ayan, thank you so much once again. Now, we would also like to invite the members of MPPL, Mancom, and the Solar Sports Mancom to join this photo opportunity. We also have Attorney Glenn and Sir Joe.